Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to remove contacts in Mailchimp. This is a Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your account, click on all contacts below audience. Now check the box next to the contacts you want to delete, these two unsubscribed emails. And now that your contacts are selected, click on these three dots and select delete contacts. Here you can select between permanently deleting these contacts or just archiving them. As you can see, archiving does not contribute to contact limits or billing. But even with that, I will still go with permanently delete these two contacts. Select it just like that and click on this continue to delete button. Check this box to tell them that you understand that these contacts can never be re-imported again and fill permanently delete here. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on this permanently delete orange button and wait a second. As you can see, two contacts have been deleted. And this is how to remove contacts from Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.